Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Motorola Edge 40 Pro and I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode works on this smartphone. Okay, so to open the camera Pro mode we have to just move for the Pro mode, just right here, and we can find two bars, this one and this one. Let's focus for example on this at the first. So first of all, when we start from the right side we can adjust exposure compensation between -4 and the +4, and that's by the way the only parameter that you can only adjust manually. Next we can simply go for the ISO level. Here we can do this with the slider and we can adjust manually or go to the automatic adjustment by going to the A. Here we can find shutter speed, that's the same option, manual and also the automatic. So when we set the shutter for like 2 seconds, we have to wait for the 2 seconds until the photo will be taken, and we have to also hold our phone steady because our phone will capture more light. Next we get the white balance with the presets and automatic adjustment. The last option, it's definitely very useful option, it's focus range. So take a look, when I set it up like that, that's set up almost for the infinite focus range, so I have to move my phone like that, and right now this button will be in the focus. But when I set it up like that, as you can see right now, we can capture focus on the button. In this phone, unfortunately, we cannot find this preview of capturing focus or exposure, so it's not the best Pro mode that you can find on the phones, but it works not bad. And here we can simply switch photo format. We have 3 different formats. In the right upper corner we can find the histogram. Here we can also adjust aspect ratio, enable camera timer, or turn on the flashlight right here. So that's camera Pro mode on the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. That's all the features that you can find right here. And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.